Hello my Annabelle friends, it's Colette, and I'm here today to do an art activity with you. But before we do any types of art activities, it's very important that a mom or a dad or a big brother or sister always help us, and we always need permission before we can get out paints and glue and scissors, because we always need to have a big person helping us with the art activity. So today, you can see that I've covered up my table. I have paper in my table so I won't get my tablecloth dirty. And we're going to need some scissors. That is for the mums and dads to use, or big brother and big sisters. I have some glue in here. Do you see some white glue? And I don't have a glue stick, so I'm using a pipe cleaner to help me put the glue on. I also have a little bit of paint. I don't need much, just a little dab of paint. And today I want to use a sponge, but you can also use a paintbrush if you like. I have a paper plate, and mums and dads, that's what the scissors are for. We had to cut out a section that looks like a triangle from the paper plate. And then we also needed some construction paper, and I've cut out some shapes from the construction paper, which you can see. So what I did was I cut out 6 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I cut out kind of a half circle, and that's going to be my ladybug's head. With the scissors, I've also poked 2 holes very carefully, and that again is a job for mommy or daddy or big brother and sister, and that's going to be for the pipe cleaners for the antenna. You see I have 2 pipe cleaners, just small, they don't need to be very big. And then another piece of construction paper that will go under the paper plate, and that will become the ladybug's rest of the body. Alright, so let's get started. So we've asked mom and dad or big brother and sister to help us, and we have our paper on the table so we don't get anything dirty. Now I'm taking a sponge and dipping it in the paint, and because I'm making a ladybug, I'm using red because most ladybugs that I see are red. And I'm just going to dab the sponge all over my plate to try to cover my ladybug in red paint. And you at home, maybe you want to rub your sponge like this, and that's okay. You can do it however you want. It's your creation. You can do patterns. Maybe you're gonna hold your sponge in different ways. Or you can make stripes and lines. Maybe you want to not use red, and maybe you want to make a purple ladybug or a yellow ladybug. You can do it however you like. That is completely up to you. All right. So most of my paper plate is covered in red. I think that's pretty good for now. There. Now, because I'm doing this video for you, I don't have one that's already dry. But what you would do is you would let it dry, and then you would glue the black polka dot circles on your ladybug's back of her shell. And you can do as many or as few polka dots as you like. I did 3 for each side, so in total I made 6. But you can do 8. You can do only 2. However many polka dots you want to make for your ladybug. There. So now I have the polka dots on. I'm also going to glue my ladybug's head. Now Now this one's a bit trickier because you got to glue it to the underneath of your ladybug, of the paper plate. And then the same with this piece. So this piece is being glued to the underneath side as well. So you only need glue. Moms and dads maybe have to help you with this part, and that's okay. It's okay to have help from people. There we go. Just gluing that. There, so you see I didn't cover all the black because I don't want it to show glue, but I'm going to put this part underneath, and it's going to stick to the underside of the paper plate. There. So now look at my ladybug. It's almost done. Now I just need to put the pipe cleaners in to make the ladybug's antenna. There. And there's my ladybug. My friends, I hope you can use your imagination and you can make a ladybug that's all different colors. You can make a rainbow ladybug or another type of creation. But whatever you do, make sure you have fun when you're doing it. That's it for now, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.